In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to follow friends on Reddit. Whether you're new to Reddit or just haven't used the follow feature before, I'll walk you through the process step by step in a clear and simple way. First, open the Reddit app or website and make sure you're logged into your account. Following someone on Reddit lets you easily keep up with the content they post, so it's a great way to stay connected with friends or with creators you enjoy. To get started, look for the search bar on the mobile app. You'll usually find it at the top of the screen, often labeled as Search Reddit. On the desktop website, the search bar is also near the top, in the header area. Go ahead and click or tap on that search field to activate it. Now, type in the username of the person you want to follow. Reddit usernames usually start with U, followed by the name, but you can simply type the name itself. Be as accurate as possible, especially if your friend has a common name, because multiple accounts may show up. As you type, Reddit will show you a list of results that match what you've entered. When the search results appear, look for the correct profile in the list. Profiles are typically shown with a small avatar and the username. Take a moment to confirm it's the right person by checking the spelling of their username and, if visible, any profile details that look familiar. Once you've found the right profile, click or tap on it to open their profile page. On their profile page, you'll see information like their posts, comments, and maybe a short bio if they've added one. Somewhere near the top of this page, you should see a button that says Follow. The exact placement can vary slightly between the app and the website, but it's usually prominent and easy to spot. Simply click or tap on the Follow button. When you do this, Reddit will add that user to the list of people you follow. From now on, you're more likely to see their posts and activity in your home feed, making it much easier to keep up with what they share. And that's it. You've searched for a username, opened the profile, and clicked follow. Repeat these same steps for any other friends or creators you'd like to follow on Reddit.